Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Education Arena. Today I am going to explain about the chapter 5 Our Food from class 3 Social Studies. We have already studied that India is a very large country. Its climate and soil changes from place to place. Means from place to place the climate and soil is different in India because India is a very large country. People grow different kinds of food crops in different parts. So they eat different kind of foods. People usually like to eat those food items which are grown in their areas. The farmers in our country grows various kinds of food grains, pulses, vegetables, oilseeds, fruits and spices. The next topic is food grains and pulses. Wheat, rice, maize, basra and jawar are the staple food grains. They are grown and eaten in different parts of our country. Means in different parts of our country the food grains and pulses are eaten. In the northern states like Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, people also eat basra and jawar besides wheat. Rice is the staple food in the southern and eastern states. People of Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala and Karnataka prefer rice. In places nearby the sea area, people like to eat rice with fish. Means the people who are live in the side of a sea, they like to eat rice with fish. People in India also eat pulses like urad, arhar, masoor, etc. The next topic is vegetables and fruits. Our country produces a great variety of fruits and vegetables. In fact, India is the second biggest producer of vegetables in the world. Means in the world, India is the second biggest producer of vegetables. We eat different kinds of vegetables in different seasons. Means according to the seasons, we eat different kinds of vegetables. Similarly, fruits are also not available across the year. Means like the vegetables, fruits are not available across the year. For example, grapes grow in winter but mangoes grow in summer. Some states are famous for specific fruits such as Himachal Pradesh is famous for its apples. It is often called the apple state of India. Nagpur in Maharashtra is called the city of oranges. Kashmir is famous for strawberries and cherries. Ladakh is famous for apricots. Pineapples are grown in Goa, Assam and Kerala. Bihar is famous for litchi. And Ratnagiri in Maharashtra famous for Alfonso mango. Next topic, spices and edible oils. We use spices to add flavor and taste to our food. Our country is famous throughout the world for its spices. Kerala is the biggest producer of spices in India. Some important spices grown in India are saffron, turmeric, ginger, coriander, chilies, cardamom, cloves, garlic and pepper. Oil is used to cook food. Some of the popular oils used in India are number 1 ghee, number 2 mustard oil, number 3 coconut oil, and number 4 groundnut oil. The next topic is other food items. People of India are very fond of sweets. There are a great variety of sweets prepared in each part of India. A good number of sweet desserts are made from yogurt, milk, nuts, and fruits. Sugar is the main component in most sweets. Tea is a favorite beverage in India, but certain people like coffee. The next topic, specific dishes. Particular states in India are famous for their specific dishes such as dhokla from Gujarat, pav bhaji from Maharashtra, litti chokha from Bihar, dal bati churma from Rajasthan, idli dosa from Tamil Nadu, and sarson ka saag from Punjab. Transportation of food items. All food items are not found in every part of our country. Found different food grains in different places only through a proper means of transport. Means with the help of transport system, we can find different food grains in different places of our country. The farmers take food grains, vegetables and fruits to the nearby mandi or wholesale market. Means the farmers who produces different types of food grains, vegetables and fruits, they take these items to the nearby mandi or wholesale market to sell them. I hope all of you like the video. If you have any doubts, then comment in the comment box below. Thank you.